Welcome to the COBB Cat-Back install guide for the Fiesta ST. Before we get started, you'll need a 13 and 15 mm socket and ratchet, and a sawzall or saw. Be sure to use eye protection. You should have everything shown here. Start by getting your Fiesta ST into the air. Moving underneath the car, locate the S-bend in the exhaust. We'll be using our sawzall here to cut through the exhaust. You must cut the exhaust to remove it unless you fancy disassembling the rear subframe. Moving on, now remove the 4 13 mm nuts securing the cross brace from below. Remove the cross brace. Remove the 2 15 mm nuts securing the cat-back to the downpipe. These can be stiff, so use a breaker bar. Unseat the cat-back section from the muffler hangers. Remove the cat-back front section. Now unseat the muffler from the exhaust hangers. Remove the OEM muffler. Seat the COBB Cat-Back section into the muffler hangers. Install the downpipe gasket, 2 15 mm bolts and nuts to mount the downpipe to the cat-back. Leave it finger tight for now. Seat the COBB mid-pipe section onto the exhaust hangers. Install the cat-back to mid-pipe exhaust gasket and 2 15 mm nuts and bolts. Again, leave them finger tight for now. Seat the COBB muffler section onto the hangers. Install the gasket between the sections and secure them with 2 15 mm bolts and nuts. Then tighten the two 15mm bolts and nuts to secure the downpipe. Tighten the two 15mm bolts and nuts to secure the midsection. Reinstall the cross brace and the four 13mm nuts to secure it, and you're done. Minimal drone and a more muscular exhaust note, the Fiesta ST COBB Cat-Back is the perfect system for a daily driver, offering performance with a sound that you'll love living with. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.